It's your boy Damien Dupee. Top of the morning to you. Your number one off-market land specialist. Hyper focus on them infill lots. You hear me? Today I'm going to be bringing you a part 3 session of land strategy. Okay, and in this, basically this video, we're going to be talking about portfolio owners, people who own 10 or more properties, 15 or more properties. I've done a lot of deals with portfolio owners. I think it's a great strategy for vacant land, especially if you're on limited to not a big budget and you're basically hunting. Okay, so without further ado, I got a couple announcements. First announcement is go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and like my channel. And if you find anything valuable from that, go ahead and leave me a comment. Second announcement is if you are local to the Charlotte market and you want to attend a meetup, yours truly hosts a meetup monthly. Okay, the next meetup will be March 25th from 7 to 9 p.m. The link is in the description. You don't want to miss it. And last but not least, I have a paid course fresh off the press, $9.97. The price is going up soon to $19.97, and I just wanted to let you know, just in case you want something a little bit more advanced, line upon line, precept upon precept. If you're not in a position to buy a course right now and bet on you, then there is access to a free course in the description. You don't want to miss it. Free ebooks, free scripts, free, not everything, but got some free goodies for you. So thank you so much. I appreciate your time. Salute you. Basically today I'm going to be showing you how to target people and how this is a great niche, whether you want to target owner occupants or you want to target, I'm sorry, not owner occupants, regular owners or just corporations. I like corporations. So you can do this inside of PropStream and or DataTree. It doesn't matter. The filters is what makes everything pop. Okay. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to walk you through it so you can see exactly how I would do it. And hopefully you get some value out of this. All right, so I'm going to search for, I'm going to do Gaston County. All right, Gaston County pulled up. I'm doing it in PropStream. The last video I believe I did in DataTree, so I'm going to try to do a blend for you. Because I know different people got access to different things, okay? So I'm trying to look out for your cookout, you hear me? All right. So, again, this will be my filters. Vacant land, of course, okay? Want to make sure you stay on an infill lot. Let's try 5,000 square feet. We probably could do 4,000 in Gastonia. And let's do it to an acre, okay? We're looking for infill lots. It's kind of my sweet spot. I want a lot that's let's go down here to ownership, and I don't want to do that, okay? Come down to the valuation. I want the lot to be minimum $5,000, assessed total value to $50,000. Sweet spot. It works. It works like butter. I mean, by the grace of God, I do very, very good, you know, in this sweet spot, with these numbers, with these parameters. Like, you know, I'm able to make a nice living for myself by the grace of God. So this is the sauce, if you will. And you can kind of play around with it. I don't think they got an MLS feed, but let me check the count. All right, 5876. All right, so I want to take it a step further and do residential vacant land. I want to see what they do to my count so I can be hyper focused. Again, you want your list as niche as possible. Okay, it doesn't read on residential vacant land, so we'll take what we can get, because it will throw a couple houses in there, unfortunately. It just is what it is. And another thing you want to do is number of properties owned. I want to put 10 minimum, okay? And I also want to put how long have they owned the property, years of ownership. Let's say 10. You can play with this number if you want to. Okay, I'm going to go LLC. I like LLCs. I really do. So in order to get the LLC, you come down here, you go to owner type, and you go corporate. Sweet. I got 278. Sweet. Okay. All right, from there, I might see if I can hit a tax delinquent feature, see if I can get somebody who in Ouchville, okay? Ouch. Ouch. All right. So, cool. This is the type of list I like working with. This is the type of list. Small list, 50 or under. It's something you can manage. You can get through at your own time. Just remember where you are. So, let's work. All right. So, I definitely want to look at this lot. As you can see, this lot is beautiful. Looks like it's a house next to it. All right. Decent neighborhood. All right. This is owned by Alpha Solutions. Let me see how many properties they own. They're supposed to own 10 or more. Okay. So these people sitting heavy. Okay. Loan them out $311,000. Portfolio worth like $8 million. Holla at your boy. Again, speak what you want to see. And I want to find favor with them, and they sell me a lot. You know what I'm saying? Just sell me a lot. So let me do a little due diligence on this lot before I get them on the horn and before I do anything. But this is basically the strategy what you would do. You can go and play with this filter as much as you want. You could put people, you know, let me see, deceased owners. All right, that ain't work. All right, you could do absentee owner, out of state. You know what I'm saying? Got the list even smaller. You know, these people don't live here. You know, it's a lot of things you can do. Decent lot. Probably a nice neighborhood. Decent lot. Out-of-state owner. Owned it for 10 years. Hear me. Owned it for 10 years. Okay, they bought this lot for $492,000 back in 95. Jeez. I wonder what this lot is worth now. That couldn't be right. Man, it must have been a house or something on there that got demolished, or they might live next door or something like that. That's probably what it is. I don't know. Maybe they own a house next door. Let's go to Link Properties. Again, we got 3716. And again, they own a few lots, but who's to say that they don't want to sell us this lot? Okay. 36,000. So I would just go off the comps. I wouldn't go off the last sales price. It might be an error or something. I don't know what's going on. Maybe they bought a portfolio or package deal. Maybe they financed it. You don't know what they did. But they out of state, and they might be trying to go. Okay? So, you know, if it's assessed at 36, I just want to see what the comps is real quick. You know what I'm saying? Check your comps, do your due diligence, check for your utilities. Very, very important. So let's just do vacant land. And let's do cash buyer. And let's do 1 mile. Okay, 1 mile is the key. All right, so I got one over here. What's that one sold for? Let's say $475,000. I know that ain't right. That's because they built the house on it. So I got one over here too. $45,000. And where's my number 3? All right, 3, 4, 5 is in the neighborhood. All right, that neighborhood don't look as prestigious as that other neighborhood, to be honest. That other neighborhood look crisp, fresh. You know what I'm saying? Thriving. You know what I'm saying? Like this neighborhood, look at this neighborhood. Big dumb houses. You can tell this is a dumb house. Look at it. It look way better. Got a little pond in there, golf course. Access to the golf course. So I would say this lot probably will bop for the higher one, which is closer to it, for about 45, maybe 50. I offer old boy, you know, 37.5. You know, I might come at him at 80% of the assessed value. I don't know. I might make him work me up to the assessed value and try to make a 10-piece on it, straight up. So this is definitely a strategy you can use if you got little to no ching, man. Hear me out. I'm trying to help you get some dough in your pocket. Help you get paid in the shade while you drinking some lemonade. You hear me? So, you know what I'm saying? You need to take advantage of this. And, man, like, invest $100 in yourself month to month. You can cancel it after you do your first deal. You know what I'm saying? Invest $100 in yourself. You can export 10,000 leads, which is equivalent to 1 penny a lead. I do have an affiliate link in the description if you want to get signed up for PropStream. It costs you nothing, but it give me a little kickback, something slight like a dirt bike. But if you want to get, you know what I'm saying? You want to get hit with the PropStream, holla at your boy. Click the link in the description. All right. So, again, this is definitely a strategy. People who own multiple properties, out-of-state owners. I mean, you can play with this thing everywhere. I mean, everywhere. You can do it by the counties, you can do it by the cities, you can do it by the zip. You know what I'm saying? I could just do my zip code. You feel me? Just do my zip. You know what I'm saying? It's amazing. It's amazing. So listen, take advantage of this. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Smash that notification bell. And be sure to like. And if you find anything valuable, drop me a comment. I would love to hear from you. I appreciate you so much for checking me out. If you need anything in between time, email me. My link is in the description. And I'm gone like the wind. All right.